Ka Union Christian College UCC Yam Kwan Riboy District Kalaraki ka jingdap nyok san snem jong ka jingai lenti haka liang ka pule puthi. Haka ni ka singi ladon lang usumbut menteri rang ba ka jela ba Preston tun song kum ukong san but MLA ka umsning ba Celestine Lingdo nalor u principal ka UCC Dr. RM Mani ki nohikai pat samla puli. Usumbut menteri rang ba ka jela u ba Preston tun song haka jingkren ulapan pau ya kanam ka ba ka jaka puli kalatay haki ni kip snam. Habapan kan mawi ki por ba ulit school ula ong balay nyo ya ka UCC kum ka weni ki college ba bhatam hakata ka por bat ulaya ro ya ka te ka jaka puli ka balapan ne ya ka jingno senyang jongka siya ka puli puthi haki ni snam. Utan song lapan skoro ya ka jingkwa jong ka sorkar de laban kershan ya ka college haka nuka nuka por badan kam jingaram da ka bapan pau ya ka jingdon kam jong ka jinga trilang hapedeng ki jaka puli bat ka sorkar haka bapan klan ya ka tunat puli puthi.
Entering this campus, I feel like I'm somewhere in Europe. And Preston Thompson from a village, a rural area, stepping into this campus is unimaginable. And let me tell you about the name of UCC. During my school time, it was one of the best institutions in Meghalaya as well as in northeastern states. One of the best. I think let us go back to the history and you can also see the records as it is. And I'm very, very sure students who have the opportunity to upload themselves about the knowledge in this campus are fully being blessed by the presence of Almighty God. That's why you are as you are. Your faces are shining, smiling, full of love, full of affection. It is because of that. So let me put it on record. On behalf of the state government, number one, I salute the founders of this institution. I salute the Northeast India Christian Council for conceptualizing of having this institution in the state of Meghalaya. So I would like to share with you, government is trying to also be part of this institution. Whenever needs arises, we are here with you, and we also assure all of you that we will continue to be a very close partnership with all of you. My dearest students, government of the day, we are spending more time in focusing of how transmission should take place in education sector. We have tried the best and we keep trying, and I'm very sure one day we will be able to see that Meghalaya is 100% literacy rate covered. One of them, in fact, we are focusing on inclusive education. The day when the NEP has to be implemented in the entire nation, not less than 5-6 times we had a series of meetings ourselves going through this policy, which is very, very challenging, being a small state like Meghalaya. But as I've said to you, with the help, with the guidance of Almighty, at least 35 to 40% of this policy now are in place. And we will see that the policy is fully implemented in the years to come. My dear students, let me also tell you, just a few months back, government has just completed its commitment to ensure the primary and upper primary schools are properly run, are properly managed. And I'm happy to tell you that from 1st April of this year, even the pay structure of teachers was attained.
75 years indeed is not only a milestone, it is a testament to faith, to sacrifice, to dedication, and most importantly, the unwavering commitment to education here in this center. Today we also pay heartfelt tributes to the founding fathers, as we have already seen the beautiful presentation earlier. The pioneers of this college who believed that they can have a college that can give quality education rooted in Christian values. They believe in nurturing knowledge along with character in the students, and they also believe that they can empower generations to serve the society with integrity. Their courage, dedication, and selfless service laid the foundation that transformed many lives in our region. As we honor their legacy, we must also accept the responsibility they have entrusted upon us. When we move forward into the future, this college will be needing innovations. We will be needing academic excellence. The leadership of the college will need honesty and compassion. Let UCC continue to be a beacon of hope, embracing new changes while remaining committed to the mission of shaping men and women of faith and service. My dear students, you are the custodians of this great heritage. I must say, you must learn with humility, and when your time comes, you must lead with courage. And when it's your time to serve the society, you must serve with love. Dear faculty members, alumni, supporters, may your continued commitment ensure that this institution grows stronger in the years to come and reach even greater heights.